Eat a little, waiting to come out. Look at the sun outside. Wow, it's so beautiful today. Come on, guys. Looking for food. Let's see what's on today. Oh, come on. Oh, Seashell? Come on, a little one. Yo, this. This is so arrogant. Wow. This is so pretty. Big sea rabbit, come on one. Stonefish, I go. Have a cat's eye. Wow. Come on. Let's see what's up today. This sea hare will do too. Have a stonefish. Yo, pee-pee shrimp, come on. Delicious, this crab fat. This crab fat. Wow, that's a lot. This. Have a scallop. Bring a small one. Oh, come on, this fish. Sassadine, this fried fish is delicious. Come on. There's still a little sand ahead. Yo, there are scallops here. The scallop grows on this. Oh my God. Growing. Come on, both. Ouch, this crab is fierce. There are a lot of these little fish. Have an octopus. Come on, a little one. It's what I want to eat today. Look at this little monkey head. Little monkey head, a big shrimp. Shrimp, come on. Look ahead. I'm not good at this shit. He runs backwards. Petals and fish. Small petal fish. This is delicious. Come on, little one. Ouch, this crab is so fierce. Small blowfish. Oh, this fish is quite a lot. This fish. What about the front? Is there anything here? My little crabs and little swimming crabs are slowly increasing. Another sea hare? Come on, hurry up. It's in the pot. Just eat a little. Waiting to come out. Look at the sun outside. Wow. It's so beautiful today. One fish first. It's sardines. This is delicious. Okay. The first sardine of the year. Is it okay for me to eat this fish? This little meat. Bright. Have a conch. Ouch, I'm gonna lose weight soon, conch. Oh, I'll go. Come on in. There seem to be scallops. Wow. This scallop powder. This meat. This is called Harbor Bay. Cold shrimp. Seashell. There is rice. Oops. Pee-pee shrimp. Change that. Get this cat's eye. Oh, I'm about to shoot the wrong color. Honda that color. Incense. Boom. Do you have any rice? Well, this one doesn't come with rice. Is there yellow and foam? There is yellow. Come and eat fish. Fishing should be slow. With garlic. But this fish fragrance. Oh dear. Peddlefish. Okay. This is my father-in-law's sea rabbit. Father-in-law. No seeds, no cream.